morning. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update for this Friday, the 24th of February, 2023, and the time about 8:27 a.m. Central Time. So we did get the PCE, the personal spending, and let's go right to it and take a look, because it is the morning mover, as I thought. First, the personal income was up 0.6. They expected it up 1.4, down from where it was. Personal consumption spending, a little greater, 1.8. They expected 1.4. The PCE Index, this is month over month up 0.6, and the one that the Fed looks at, the PCE Price Index, year over year, up 5.4%. The prior was up 5%. This is not what the Fed wanted. This flies right in the face of their goals. The price index and the core PCE month over month, as I said, up 0.6, prior up 5. They expected up 3. So you got a hot set of numbers. In a few minutes, we're going to get the January home sales data, the University of Michigan consumer sentiment at 9. President Bullard will speak, and he's going to be a hawk, I would imagine, at 10:30 this morning. So you want to listen to what that is. You have a cattle on feed report coming out at the end of the day. We had other data. We had China deliver a 12-point peace plan. It went nowhere right on upon them writing it. It leaves the Russians right where they're at, and that's the problem in part of it. So let's go to the marketplace and see what we have. Stock market on that news, you would expect a big decline, and you would expect the dollar up. It's exactly what's occurring. Dollar back over the 105 area. Metal markets immediately reacting, oh, that strong dollar going to hurt it. Same thing going on in the energies. Nat gas has been so oversold it's getting a bounce. But another market of interest, I'm watching cotton. Why isn't it breaking with the strong dollar? Yes, it's been in a downtrend, but not a crazy one. All of the grains down today off that news, because it makes American goods, when you're trying to export anything and you get a dollar that's back at 105, what? More non-competitive. That is the way you've got to look at it and where it goes. But as I step back here, other than a couple of areas being natural gas and the cotton market and the dollar, everything is in the red. So the market's feeling the pressure of that. And what this does is it just locks in the minimum 25 basis point in March, but there'll be discussion about a 50. Now, we'll probably see that in the minutes. I don't know that this is enough just yet on its own to move the Fed, but I must tell you, if you get a real strong jobs number report at the beginning of March for February, that could tip it, and you've got to keep that in the back of your mind. What this guarantees, in my mind, is until we see the rollover where all this lag effect supposedly is going to drive inflation down, the Fed doesn't do anything. It just stays higher for longer, and at some point it will roll in. What that point is, I don't know. What's it going to do to supply economics? That's going to be a big question as well. We're going to try to answer that today. At Linn, we write a lot of data. So if you want to get our market information, it's there. On a day like today, what do I look like? I look at our pivot points. And why do I look at them? Because you're going to get to extremes in the market, and if you're looking to sell, buy, whatever it is, sometimes a report like this opens up an opportunity. I certainly look at it when I'm taking my normal recommendations for my clients, and intraday, should I adjust them? Am I on track? Where am I? So I've created a free course where you can learn how to use these. I promise, if you've got a charting software worth anything that's good, you have pivot points in it. How do you work with them? How do you tie momentum into it? I created a whole series for you to do this. The idea here is I teach you how to do this, and that leads you into my other courses. You'll see how easy I teach and how easy it is to master. So go to our website. Under free offers, you'll see pivot points. That's where our other information, if you want to sign up for it, is. You can move your cursor up to the top and give it a click at any point in time. And what that will do for you, that'll take you right to that area. I'm Ira Epstein. It's going to be a pretty interesting trading day. You have a good one. I'll catch you over the weekend or tonight. I don't know if I'm going to do tonight the updates or I'll do them first thing tomorrow. But you'll get your weekend edition when we look at the weekly charts and try to see how that's all going to play out. And there will be a webinar. It's going to be next Thursday. Invites will go out this morning to all interested. We fill up quickly. And that'll be Wednesday at 12:30 p.m. Central Time. I'll talk to you all come the weekend. Take care.